Mmm, an exotic flavor, an unforgettable memory, a surprising aroma, a marvelous holiday trip, a unique experience. In the quest for creating and developing a trend-setting product, we never know where inspiration comes from. What we do know is that your initiatives will hit the market 3 times faster integrating all your business processes with Siemens Integrated Program and Lifecycle Management. IPLM is more than just the planning and execution of your initiatives. It provides a framework that helps you understand how business processes interact with each other, from brand portfolio to project, process, and product information. It provides the data and traceability context of all your intellectual property to get better insights and unlock unique features that cannot be accomplished by standalone systems. A single source of truth you can rely on to efficiently start your next product initiative launch. Eliminate all non-value-added work. Embrace the power of the digital thread approach to plan, design, simulate, and optimize products and production systems in very short time. We are the only company that offers a holistic framework that will help you become a true digital enterprise to integrate all your business processes and be 3 times faster with Siemens Integrated Program and Lifecycle Management.